Polyatomics, there are so many. I've got to know them for the test. I've got my flashcards ready to go, and until I know them, I won't rest. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember. Hydrogen carbonate, it's HCO3 1 minus, and can be in any state. And what about hypochlorite? We all know it's ClO, but its charge is 1 minus. Oh, there's just so much to know. I took all this time just to memorize hydroxide, OH 1 minus, and I remember sulfate, SO4 2 minus. Now I'm on a roll. Polyatomics, there are so many. I've got to know them for the test. I've got my flashcards ready to go, and until I know them, I won't rest. If happy ever afters did exist, I would be able to ace this test. Memorizing these will bring me bliss. 37 ions on my list. Oh, we turned your back on peroxide, cause you forgot what it was. But it's O2 2 minus. I'm so smart, hold the applause. Next is try basic phosphate. It's CO4 3 minus. Phosphate is what most will call it. Oh, there's just so much to know. I took all this time just to memorize cyanide, CN 1 minus, and I remember nitrate, NO3 1 minus. I'm still on a roll. Polyatomics, there are so many. I've got to know them for the test. I've got my flashcards ready to go, and until I know them, I won't rest. If happy ever afters did exist, I would be able to ace this test. Memorizing these will bring me bliss. 37 ions on my list. Those polyatomics.
Yeah, acetate, ammonium, benzoate, borate, bromate, carbonate, chromate, chlorate, chlorite, citrate, cyanate, cyanide, dichromate, hydrogen phosphate, ferrocyanide, hydrogen carbonate, hydrogen sulfate, hydrogen sulfite, hydrosulfide, hydroxide, hypochlorite, iodate, the hydrogen phosphate, nitrate, nitrite, oxalate, perchlorate, permanganate, peroxide, phosphate, phosphite, sulfate, sulfite, tartrate, tetraborate, thiocyanate, thiosulfate.
Polyatomics, there are so many. I've got to know them for the test. I've got my flashcards ready to go, and until I know them, I won't rest. If happy ever afters did exist, I would be able to ace this test. Memorizing these will bring me bliss. 37 ions on my list. Those polyatomics.